Hi, it's Angie, and I am so excited to show you my growing Bella Fascini collection today. This is a new brand for me, and I am just so impressed. I got my first bead and loved it so much. I went and bought more, and I've also received some as gifts. So I want to go over it with you and show you exactly what I got and how beautiful these bead charms are. They have a great website with a whole selection of really pretty enameled beads, great seasonal beads, and beautiful bracelets too. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about are the bracelets because that's a really important component of getting a new brand. I always like to have the beads that match the bracelet. So this is the smooth silver cuff bangle, and I was very impressed when I got it. It rivals the big brands that you know. It's very solid and beautiful shiny silver. I love it. It doesn't have a lot of give, so you want to make sure that you get the right size for you. And they have a great chart on the website that will help you, and you can always reach out to them if you need a little more guidance on which size to select. I also have these beautiful silver stoppers on here too, which are really strong and secure, and they keep your beads in the center of the bracelet. So I'm going to go over the beads after, but I want to talk about the twisted silver cuff bangle because this one is the perfect stacking piece, and I love it with everything. I just got back from a Disney World vacation, and I wore this every single day with my other bracelets that had charms on them. I just wanted that one extra element in the stack, so I could have a stack of 3. So I wore this plain with no stoppers, no beads, and my goodness, first of all, it's beautiful. I love the oxidized detail on that. It's more than just twisted because that oxidized detail just gives it that extra element in there. And I wore it every day. Like I said, we were morning till end, like rope drop until the end of the night. We were busy going on all the rides, even the crazy ones, Guardians of the Galaxy, twists and turns. And I have to tell you, I am so impressed. This is my honest opinion of this bracelet. I didn't give it a second thought once I put it on my wrist, and it stayed put. It didn't twist around. It's the perfect size for me. It stayed exactly where it needed to be. And honestly, I didn't even feel it. Like, it just looked amazing. It never bothered me. It is so comfortable and so beautiful. And this one is just my absolute favorite. I am so impressed with this. I really put it through the ringer and it performed perfectly. So highly recommend, and I love it so much. So this is just amazing. So I think you can understand my enthusiasm. I love this bangle. So, okay, let's get to the charms because everybody loves the charms. So I'm going to start with the seasonal ones that I picked out. These were the first beads that I really wanted. And this one is called the Tangled String of Lights, and it's multicolored, obviously. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, it's just this ball of tangled lights. And I think the detail on this is just amazing. You have all those beautiful colored bulbs. And then you have the little plugs, which I think is so cute. And this just instantly reminded me of the movie A Christmas Story. And, you know, if you are of a certain age, you just grew up with lights that were in a big mess that your family would pull out every December. And I just think is so charming. And you probably can't tell, but there's a little bit of glitter in each of the colored lights. And I think this is going to be so sweet for Christmas with all those pretty colors. I think it's so nice. Now, Bella Fascini, they have the most amazing enamel. They have the cutest little bunny rabbits. I don't have one of those yet, but I really want to put those on my list. And they also have the most amazing Halloween charm beads ever. Like, the enameled pumpkins are just incredible. Anyway, so that's the first one I got. And then this one I just could not resist. This is the Christmas Moose String of Lights with the luxe color enameled multicolored lights, and I just think he is so adorable. This adorable little moose who's gotten all tangled up in the lights with his antlers, and there's lots of detail on this, the sweetest little hooves, and he just has the cutest expression. I just love it so much. I could not resist, and I just think this is going to be so adorable. And I'm a Canadian girl, so you know, we're kind of known for our moose, and I just had to have this one to represent that, and also just to look so cute with the Christmas lights. And then I got this one, which was a gift from Bella Fascini. And this is another little moose who has a pine cone, as you can see. So just as adorable. There's no enamel on this one, but lots of great texture. And then that little leaf in the back. and then the little pine cone. But this one's a little bit smaller than the Christmas one, just so you know. You can see the Christmas one is the big daddy moose. Really cute. And so that is the little moose with the pine cone. And then I had to get this. This is a real showstopper. This is the Fleur de Lis focal bead charm. And I was born in Quebec, and that is our symbol, the beautiful Fleur de Lis. And I love how this one is done. It's, holy cow, it's chunky, super solid. As you can see how thick that is. Very shiny, and it's a simple design yet really, really beautiful and effective, and just the way it should be. I actually have a tattoo of a Fleur de Lis, so this was a must-have, and I love that so much. Really stunning, just as a centerpiece on a bangle, even all by itself or for stacking. Let me just slide this on so you can see how big this looks on a bracelet. So that is the Fleur de Lis focal bead. And then I have what Bella Fascini is really known for are their Day of the Dead skulls. And I have 3 of them. They're just beautiful. There's other ones as well. So I have the Sugar Skull Loving Heart, which is this one. And as you can see, there's so much detail on this. It's amazing with the teeth and the eyes and all the flowers on the top of the skull and that pretty filigree on the back. And then the centerpiece is this one, and this is amazing with all the flowers and then the skulls mixed in. That just makes a great centerpiece on the bracelet with these skulls on either side. And then I have the Sugar Skull Bouquet, which is also beautiful. Love that one too. So these are great. I mean, I just love having multiple skull beads. I like to stack with these, and they're definitely my vibe. And I just think they're very, very cool. So that's my collection so far of Bella Fascini, and I'm really, really happy with them. And as I said, any of them are beautiful. They're very large beads and a very good price. So I was really impressed with the beads, really impressed with the prices, and they have some gorgeous designs, and they're all original designs to Bella Fascini, but as I said, gotta get this bangle. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You can check out my Instagram and you can see all the pictures of me wearing it. And like I said, this one was a real trooper and just looked good and was so comfortable. It was so comfortable, oh my goodness. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick look at my Bella Fascini collection. And you can check out their website for all their other beads and for the information on sizing for the bangles, and see all the other bracelets and stoppers they have too. So thanks, we'll talk to you later. Bye.